And getting in more international breaking, this is regarding the hush money trial against President-elect Donald Trump. That bid to get the hush money trial dismissed has been rejected by a New York court. So NY judge who has rejected the attempt by Donald Trump to get the trial dismissed. So rejecting Trump's hush money conviction, it's the NY judge who's made it clear, rejecting Trump's hush money conviction, dismissing the attempt to get the case dismissed in which he's been facing trial. And getting in news from back home, this is news that's coming in from Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, where students staged protest demanding jobs from Sukhu government, also calling out the Sukhu government for the failure of implementation of the promises that the Sukhu government had made. Getting you those details in this report. Protests erupted in Shimla as unemployed youth took to streets. Rallying against outsourcing of jobs by the Himachal government, the students demand more job opportunities for locals. The protesters demand withdrawal of the guest teacher recruitment policy, terming the policy exploitation of the youth. Students say the policy betrays those who were promised jobs but were not offered any. The students threatened to call for siege of the assembly ahead of winter session in Dharamsala. However, Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has asked the students to not worry. Himachal Chief Minister further assured the students, saying that the government is in process of appointing 6,000 teachers. Meanwhile, BJP has accused Congress for crushing the dreams of the youth amid false promises by the CM. And in news from the world of sports, D. Gukesh, who's become the youngest chess champion, world chess champion, is back home after the thumping victory in the championship. Addressing the media, D. Gukesh said that he intends to follow the footsteps of Vishwanathan Anand. Take a look at this report. Now, a day after Justin Trudeau's Deputy and Finance Minister Freeland tendered her resignation, citing differences with Justin Trudeau, reports are now doing the rounds that Justin Trudeau is mulling resignation as the Prime Minister. So, while speculation is rife that Trudeau is mulling resignation with just months to go for the elections in Canada, it's NDP leader and former ally Jagmeet Singh who's also called on Justin Trudeau to tender his resignation as the Prime Minister. So these are reports in Canadian media that Justin Trudeau has been facing a lot of pressure to tender his resignation amid the growing discontent within his own Liberal Party. In fact, listening to that statement that came in from Jagmeet Singh, NDP leader and former ally of the Liberal Party that is in power in Canada.